If you're catching the train to the bird park, the train stops on the opposite side of this building. In front of this building there's a road, on the other side of the road is the train station. So you walk up here, the big mosque here. Now Google and all the locals will tell you to go straight. You can go straight, but it's about, from here, it's probably close to half an hour to the entrance to the bird park. But if you go left here, Jalan Perdana, walk up, about 5 minutes up the road is the Free Police Museum, and about another 10 minutes past that is the entrance to the bird park. If you go this way, you end up just doing one big loop all the way around, probably 2-3 times as far. Don't do what I did. So I don't know if that was Google Maps or me, but it was a lot longer than a 10-minute walk to the main entrance. But finally made it to the Kuala Lumpur Bird Park. $90 Malaysian ringgit to get in, which is roughly 30 Aussie dollars. So this is the emu enclosure. I don't know if I should tell them. That ain't an emu. That's an ostrich. Double the size of an emu and from a totally different continent. But anyway,